my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. For those of you who are new, for all of my subs, welcome back. I have a new wig slate for you guys and I'm so excited to get into it with you. So I did receive a package from ReadyWigs. If you haven't heard of this brand, it is an online brand and they have an assortment of synthetic wigs, lace front wigs, things of that nature. This is what the box looks like. It's a really cute box. It has the wig in here. It also came with some wig caps in a cute little spritz bottle because you never know when you have to contain frizz, and their information on their card and how to take care of the hair. And then you also get some wig caps because when you're rocking your wigs, sometimes you lose those things and you're like, I need to put on a wig and I need to need some more wig caps. So thank you for the boxing. I always appreciate quality boxing and taking pride in your brand. So I'm gonna pull out the hair. It has a net on it. This color is really pretty. At first glance, it's blonde. You know, I've been experimenting with blondes. I do want to do different colors. So the wig has a nice cap construction. This cap feels like it's really nice. The hair quality is very pretty. So the cap construction is really nice. The hair is very pretty. You do have the dark roots as boasted. The dark roots go all the way through. Very pretty. This color is almost like a strawberry blonde. It's pretty. Like in person, I don't know how it's coming off on the camera. It's a pretty blonde color. The lace is soft, as you can see, and it's not like a weird ashy color. It's actually a really pretty color that I think will blend very nicely. The cap construction has two combs at the temple area, a comb in the back, and then you have your adjustable straps to fit. Right off the bat, I think that the hair quality is very pretty. It is more of a silkier texture, not yucky to me, in my opinion. This is more silky. I'm just going to pop the wig on so you can see how it looks without me cutting any of the lace. And hopefully I didn't pick a too crazy color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is blonde. I'm gonna have to cut this lace off so I can really see what this is gonna look like on me. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into what I think about the hair. I love the lace on this. It's very soft and it blends very well. I had to customize my hairline, of course, and I do believe with any wig you need to customize it to fit you, girl, because we are all different. We all have different face shapes and wigs will look different on us. Something that looks bomb on somebody might not look as bomb on you. However, if you customize it, then you can make it your own. So I did have to do a little customization. It came with baby hairs, but I added a little bit more because, you know, if you want to be a little bit more dramatic, you have to add them in yourself, and I just used my razor to do that. Also, for me, this was a little front heavy for my face. I have a thin, narrow face, so I did add a little bit more layers in the front to kind of frame my face, but I still kept the longevity of the blunt cut. I didn't cut any of the hair on the side, so I do want you to see what it looks like on the side and on the other side and in the back. So overall, I think this is a great summer wig. I love the cap construction on this wig. It's very lightweight, very pretty. ReadyWigs did provide a coupon code for me, so if you're interested in purchasing this wig or any other wigs from their site, they have an assortment of wigs out there with really pretty colors. I did like the fact that they came with different colors that normally that you don't see. So if you're feeling bold, feel like trying a different color, then definitely check that out and check out that coupon code down below. Overall, I think this wig is very pretty. I really enjoyed how it just gives you a different look, and the blonde color has like a hint of strawberry blonde in it. So it's not just a one-dimensional blonde, which I really liked. I think they did a great job on that. So overall, I would rock this. Would you rock it? Let me know if you're liking this blonde series. I don't know how long I'm gonna do it, but you know, I've been wanting to try some different things. I'm done talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like in the natural light. Looks great. I'm taking my dog for a walk. Not like this is a dog walking wig, but I'm walking my dog today. So I hope you guys like how this looks in the natural lighting. Isn't it gorgeous?